There are 8 separate narratives that I believe are going to be very strong leading into the next bull run, and I'm going to share those with you now. I think first up we're going to have AI. AI is going to be a very strong narrative into the next bull run. We're already seeing that now in this mini bull run that we're having. Projects like Aegis, SingularityNet, and of course we have everyone's favourite in the artificial intelligence category, artificial liquid intelligence. I think the next big narrative we're going to see, and we've already seen a glimpse of this, is going to be securities. So projects like Lossless that have already seen a nice little bit of gains during this recent run up, but also things like Secret Network that rely on security and privacy as well. I think Secret Network's a good one, and this also leads me into the next narrative, which is privacy. Secret Networks sit in that lovely in-between space between privacy and security. So privacy is going to be a big one, with the leader in the privacy field being Monero. But Monero is written using Secret Network contracts. I think next up we're probably likely to see the Layer 1 narrative play out again, with very strong competition in the field at the moment. We've got the normal ones like your Solanas and Avaxes, but there's new competition coming out in the bear market in the form of Aptos, which has been very successful, although the tokenomics are a little bit tiresome. And of course everyone's anticipating the launch of Sui Network, which is going to be a competitor to Aptos and Solana and other Layer 1s. Now after the Layer 1s, of course, we have to start considering Layer 2s and roll-ups, and I think there's going to be some major competition to Matic in this next bull run. One of the first that is already up and running is of course Optimism. It's seen fantastic growth in the space just in the last few weeks. But we are going to see competition from roll-ups like ZK Sync and of course Arbitrum. Now Arbitrum is one I'm very excited about. We've seen a lot of growth in the DeFi and protocol space, with 65% of the Uniswap turnover for last week coming through the Arbitrum network, far surpassing even Matic. I think the next narrative we're going to see is of course ISO 20022. There are a lot of possible projects in this field, including XRP, XLM, Quant, Algo, XDC, Cardano and more. I like most of these. I think another narrative is going to be, we're going to start seeing the utility stuff, so things like data oracles. That of course means things like Chainlink and API 3. Now the last narrative that I'm going to focus on in terms of research is actually data storage. Great examples of this include Filecoin and Arweave. Now these are all areas of interest and research for me in the upcoming narratives for the bull run. None of this is financial advice. I'm going to be doing my research. I'm just sharing my areas of interest for the next bull run with you. Let me know what you think. Like, comment and follow. Are there any narratives that you're aware of that I've missed? If so, drop me a comment and we'll have a look. But remember to like, follow and comment.